I am really tired. I'm only 50, maybe 51, possibly 52. I don't really remember. I live what could be seen as a pretty nice life. I have an awesome family, nice house, nice things, good jobs. Yes, I said jobs. I have 3, maybe 4, possibly 5. I am burnt out, tired of the day-to-day and watching my life go by. I'm sick of traffic. I'm sick of everyone being in a hurry. Senseless drama. Everyone is mad at everyone. And I've been doing the same thing for like 25 or 30 years. The same thing everyone else has done, and I'm mentally tired. I feel like my life is passing me by, and I'm on a treadmill. We all really do the same things. We go to school, get good grades, get a job, buy a house, get married, have some kids, and maybe retire at 80 and die. Seems like we all follow the same path. Sure, someone could be a doctor or a president or a carpenter or a bartender or whatever, but that blueprint is really all the same when you think about it. I am exhausted and I don't want to do this anymore. That's part of the reason I'm pushing myself so hard with a bazillion jobs. You see, I have a plan. This is Peregrine. It's a sailboat for those of you not of the mariner persuasion. But then again, I myself am barely a mariner. It's like a floating house, an escape raft, as it were, from the mundane existence I and so many live. We are currently sailing on the Chesapeake Bay. This is my wife Stacy and my son Lincoln. We plan on fixing up the sailboat, adding all of the creature comforts, sailing and living off-grid between Maine and the Caribbean, maybe further. So, beginning to end and everything in between, the good, the not so good, this is our journey, our adventures, and our travels. Wish us luck. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for new episodes. Thanks for watching.